Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a model or an example of the offshore structure in the Abaqus AQUA analysis. We use here a beam as an offshore structure, then the wave. This is the water wave here. This is the free surface of the water, and we consider in this model we consider the velocity at the bed of the sea or seabed at 0, and at the free surface of the water is about half meter per second. And then we consider two types of the wave. The first wave uh, is a vertical wave along the tide direction up and down, and the second wave is along the x direction. Here the x direction, we have the another wave with a degree to x and zeta direction. Also, we consider drag load on the structure and structural velocity. So if I click on animate to see the simulation results, see, you can see, let me make it more slower to have a better view of the wave. It is in x direction, x direction. We can check displacement. Let me increase the velocity. Or you can get any result from this model. See here, Abaqus Aqua is not supported in the CAE module, so you need to write code to define the velocity, the airy wave, the buoyancy load, the drag force, boundaries, I don't know, the outputs of the wave, anything. You need to write the code, and in this tutorial we did that. Also, you can get the acceleration, displacement, or anything for the any point of the free surface or of the structure. Here it is the steel structure. So if you need and if you want to learn the Abaqus Aqua, you can use this model. So to provide that, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com here. So here you can see here we have tutorial here, we have it here. So open it, click on title or blue sign, this is continue. Open it, and then you will have the introduction, explanation, the key feature of the aqua modeling, and about the current, the waves, static model, dynamic model. We don't have a static really. We have both implicit and explicit model, and then the figure of the assembled part, typical application, advantages of using Abaqus, and then the result as figured. See here, in this model, we use very fine mesh to have the waves as this. You can see here, no problem with that. Just here, we use the smaller seed size for the mesh. So you can provide CAE INP code, English video, and everything in this model for 45 euros. We use the cryptocurrency as the first option, like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, anything, any cryptocurrency. In the second, we use PayPal, Visa, MasterCard for the payment. If you want to provide this model, contact us to this email abaqusfm.com@gmail.com. There we will answer all your questions, and if you need more information, there we will answer you. Thank you for now.